electives in History 1EE3. The first one is learning history, learning how to do history, learning how to study it, learning how to read and prepare, not just to become a historical researcher, but in terms of bringing these skills into the first year classroom in order to prepare students for subsequent classes. Also, obviously, there's a content element. I want students to come away with a better and richer understanding of this toxic century, of the nature of chemicals in our contemporary environment. Another key theme is developing writing skills. A lot of students come into university very nervous about writing, and one of the things I want to do, both again in small groups and collaborative settings and individually, is get students to work on their writing. It's something that we'll be working on very explicitly with a variety of different sort of exercises and methods of tackling that. I'm interested in collaborative writing projects. So students in groups of 4 and 5 will be doing a couple of short sort of wiki assignments together, where their job is to sort of critique each other, come away with a final statement. These will be done in tutorial and things as well, but come away with a statement where they've all contributed to it, and we can sort of see the discussion process, the way they've tweaked it, the way they've sort of contributed and communicated with each other to put together what I hope becomes a really sort of strong and compelling piece. We'll be doing a couple of those along with sort of a more traditional essay. There will be a final exam for this course. Obviously, we need to find some way to evaluate the overall work done. But some other things as well. I mean, one of my interests is getting students to, at the first year level, to sort of get a taste of doing historical research and increasing sort of both their research literacy but also digital literacy. We're seeing a real sort of change in how history is conducted, moving not away from archival research, but in addition to that, bolstering it with a variety of digital skills. So we'll be working on our digital literacy in this course as well, both in terms of producing results, but also in how we do the research. Small group settings will involve sort of working with word clouds and various forms of data mining to collect primary source information and to evaluate it in ways that I think is, again, reasonably novel for a first year setting.